This is the program for the Animal Farm Part 1 exercise. For this exercise, we were supposed to create a program that models an animal farm using a given UML. This animal farm should have an abstract class named animal, from which particular animal classes will derive, or in other words, inherit from. There are 3 child classes that we will be creating: pig, chicken, and cow. We will also be creating a born class that is composed of all the animal objects we created. The relationship between the born class and the animal child classes is of composition. If you destroy a born object, the animal's objects will be destroyed as well, as I'm creating the instances inside of the born object. Let's run the program. Immediately after running, we get information for each animal in 3 individual lines. First, the animal is eating, then how much weight it gained from eating, and finally its modified weight. It does this for all the animal objects inside of the barn. To get a little more context, let me run you through the code. The instructions said to create an animal class from which each animal class will inherit from. This means that every animal subclass I create will inherit every attribute and function from the animal class. For the animal class, I was supposed to have a string, name, and an int weight as private attributes. I was also supposed to have 2 constructors, a default one and one that receives 2 attributes, setters and getters for the attributes, a function eat, and finally, a function gain weight. All these attributes and functions will automatically be inherited to every single animal subclass. For the burn class, we are creating the animal subclass instances, meaning that we are using composition. The reason that this relationship is specifically composition rather than aggregation is because if the born class is destroyed, the objects created go along with it, because they were created inside of the born class. To put things into perspective, composition is the type of relationship where the subclasses cannot exist without the superclasses, but aggregation is the other type of relationship where the subclasses can exist without the superclasses. Thank you for watching.